So we know it has to be 3 point something or other, right? It's somewhere around 3.8.
Oh! Because the square root of 9 is 3, and then the square root. Never mind. I don't know. Don't ask me.
Is not 8.
Shh. I use my methodical brain when I want to.
And square root of 14.
3.74.
Wow.
Yeah. How'd you do that?
How'd you get 8?
That's why I'm showing, because
Oh.
it's so much closer to the 16 than it is to the 4. Okay? And I've played with this before. This is actually, distance here is 7. Okay? 5 and 2 is 7.
So 3.7.
So we have
So from 9 to 14 is
5
5.
sevens. Okay? And 7 is 14. I took 1/7 is 14 and change.
Oh, so you
Okay.
divide it into sevenths.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And that's 5/7.
So if you do 21,
All right, just watch. We'll get
okay?
it.
Okay.
Distance is
It's
9.
more than halfway there, right? It's closer to 25. So it has to be
Okay, wait.
at least 4.5.
What's the 4 and what's the 5? Why are they there?
How
That's
far?
the difference between this
Okay.
number that you're trying to find and the perfect square above it and the perfect square below it.
Okay.
And how'd you get 5?
Okay, because it is, that's the least it can be, is because the difference here is 9. It is more than halfway to 25, right? Because it's only 4 away from 25, but it's 5 away from 16, right? So it has to be at least 5.5,
Oh, okay.
okay? Or I'm sorry, 4.5, yeah. Okay, and let's see,
4.6.
4.58.
I was going to say
Okay, where do you
4.6.
get the 0.5 from?
Hmm?
Where do you get 0.5? I get the 4.
Because she said it was about halfway.
But
Okay,
Oh, halfway.
also 5.
It is at least, see, the difference here is 9, okay? This is
1/9. 5/9.
5/9
To 16.
5/9 is 0.55.
Repeating.
You gotta trust me on that, it is.
Oh! What she's saying is she's converting that number and that number to a decimal point and then put it in on the big number. Math.
Yes.
Okay?
Oh!
Math. That's a crazy thing, I tell you.
Wait, do another one.
Yeah, I'm going to in just a second.
Oh, wait. I want to do it with you.
Okay, wait.
Marcy, never mind. What is this? Is this yours? Yes, it is. Can I get your paper?
No! Yes, I can.
You drew 2 papers on it.
Okay, square root of 31. 36, whoops. 36
36, 25.
and 25, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we know it has to be 5 point something or other, right?
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Oh, hey. Distant, what'd you put? Oh,
11.
you put the square roots of those numbers right here?
Mm-hmm.
And the distance between that is 1 or 2.
11.
Okay?
11.
6
it
to.
has to be,
6, 5.
difference between 36 and 25 is 11. It is
Oh.
6 11s. Six 11s is 0.54. You gotta trust me on that one too.
Yeah.
Oh, I used the other number I was using then. Okay.
Oh, me too,
I
bro.
used, okay, so you used
So
the
it
other
should be
distance.
somewhere around 5.54.
Okay, so you use the number.
Yes, you
The
converted.
big number is the one you use. The big number is the one that's closer to the thing. So like 5 is what? 31 is closer to 36. So
And the
five.
square root, I have
Then you
5.54.
put the 6
What's the
over
square root of 31?
5.567.
Shoot me for 2 100s.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you guys try the 7. Try the 7.
I don't have
Okay.
Uh,
Hold on, wait.
Wait, 3, 3, 3,
9?
3, 9.
It's not like hush.
Right?
Wait, no. Oh, yes.
And then you do the distance between 3 and 2, which is 6, right?
6 plus 3 is 5. So 3.
It'll be 5 over 2. No.
No,
Yeah,
3
2 over 5, 2 over 5, 2 over 5.
No, 3 over 5 because you use the other number.
What?
And I don't.
No.
That's not
Yes.
3.
Oh, it's because it has to be at least 2.
No, okay, I know what I was doing.
And
I
then
was-
3
I
over
was
5.
moving the numbers instead of adding at the end.
Oops, yeah, 2.
I was like, it's supposed to be
2, not 3.
It's, hold on.
Oops.
Wait, what?
It's 2. I put that 3 because I'm looking at the 3
2
here.
and 3 fifths?
3 and 2.
Why is it supposed to be 50?
Okay,
Why is it
because
3?
Here's the 3, here's the 5.
Okay, but.
Okay, so it's
Okay, no, I know, I
2.6.
see what I did wrong. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
2.6.
Hmm?
I did me work.
Isn't that what I have?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
actual, am I?
Huh?
It's 2.64.
Bet.
That's very close.
All right, Miss Rowland.
Wow. That's crazy.
Give us some practice questions that have to do with this, and give us a 100 for free. Don't laugh at me.
I don't even, you're going to have to teach it to me. I'm still confused.
Girl.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
49.
She
Hold
said
on, wait.
Hey, Amber.
Hold on, wait.
36, 49, right?
Don't worry, I'm recording it.
7. 6, 47. It's 13.
It'll be 11 over 13.
11.
6.
11 over 13.
Well, where do you get the 6 from?
Because 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49.
Why is
7's
there
too
11
big.
there?
Because 11 is
This is the whole number. Yeah, that
I mean,
it would be
because
between.
36 is 11 away from 47.
Girl,
47 is closer to
I
49.
thought that we put the square roots there.
No.
Wait, okay, but wait.
the perfect
47
the
is closer to 49, so wouldn't it be a 7 instead of a 6?
It's 6,
Hmm?
or it's,
Okay, like you know how
So
you said
it
that
has
you
to
were doing
be
whichever
at
one was
least-
closer?
wait, where'd you get 6
47
from?
is closer to 49.
7
so
times
wouldn't it be
7 is 49.
At least
That's
7.
that's
Where'd you get
47.
6 from?
Oh, no, no,
6
no,
times
no.
6 is 36.
Okay,
I
but
thought you
the
used it
47 is
Well, the
to
whole
49.
number is
Right,
going to be
which is why
6.
It's 11 over 13.
Because it's closer to 6. It's 7 is
This
too
is
much.
like
7
yesterday,
times
the
7 is
second part.
49. And it's 47.
Okay, I'm confused now, because.
Okay, but like
Also,
for all the other ones
Wait,
you,
how-
that you've
exactly.
been doing, you were doing whichever one was closer between the 47.
Yeah, and now
The
it's
49 is
Oh,
question.
So they're saying, why aren't you putting it 2 over 13?
No.
No?
We're saying,
No.
why isn't it 2 point something? Because in every other
No,
problem.
I'm not asking why the 6 point something.
6 times 6.
I'm not asking why
Okay.
it's divided by something.
7 times
So
7
for-
is 49.
So for all the ones that you were doing okay. For all the ones you were doing, whichever number was closer to this one is the square root that you would use.
No.
No, use the
No.
opposite one.
You always have to
Because
use
it
the
can't
lower
be
one.
more, it can't be
Because if
more.
I use 7, it would have to be more than 47. Because 7 squared is more than 49.
Monty, what she's saying is she's
Or
okay.
more
So
than
the square
47.
root of 36 is 6. Is the
I
lower
have to
one.
use the bottom one.
So that has to be.
I
the
have to
first
take the
number.
square root of the bottom one.
Okay, and my question is the 11 over 13, how come we don't do 2 over 13?
Because
Because
11 is like farther.
I mean, you can if you wanted to subtract from 100.
Yeah.
Or subtract from 1.
okay.
Um,
So you do what's closest to the number?
No, we do the opposite.
You do the
Opposite.
The little.
The 6.
yeah, the
And
real
put
square
it
root is
over the
6.85.
And
6.85. Okay, so that's pretty darn close. That's but closer than 6.1. See, I do 6.1 times 6.1 if whatever the multiple choice answers are. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? I didn't know how
Did you
to.
show them how to do finding squares that end in 5 and things like that? Finding perfect squares that end in 5?
No.
125, 25, 25 is 5.
I mean,
5 is 1.5.
You are the math magician here.
Okay.
5,
5 squared.
15.
Five squared is
25.
25.
15 squared.
160.
Oh, like 300.
225.
225. Okay, now 25 squared.
So what was 125?
That's the cube root of.
That's 5 cubed is 125.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh.
225 or 25 is 625.
Oh yeah, I
Okay.
knew that.
What pattern do you see right now?
They all
They
have
all end in 5.
25.
Yeah, more than that.
25.
25. Okay.
2, 4, 6.
So now, we know that they all have to end in 25, right?
Yes. Now we
Now,
do.
what number is here?
0,
What's the next larger number than 0?
1,
What's 1 times 0?
0.
And that's what goes here.
Mhm.
What's the next larger number than 1?
2,
What's 1 times 2?
2,
What's the next larger number than 2?
3,
What's 2 times 3?
6,
So now,
8.
what am I going to multiply this by?
4, 12.
Oh, 12. Oops.
Whoa.
What am I going to multiply this by?
20.
5.
5.
20. No. Get out.
Oh no,
6. 6.
30.
30. I don't like this.
There you use 10 and you use the whole thing.
110.
Okay, let me.
11 times 12. That's 120 plus 12. 120 plus 12.
If you do the multiples of 9, you can count 11 times 12.
What's 11 times 12?
32. I'm just playing. 132.
Feel free to check any one of those you want.
Holy
How
moly
much they were?
cannoli, people.
Okay,
Check the last one.
the last one? Yeah, 115. 115 times 100.
That's not actually
Dang, it's crazy.
115 times.
But we're going to do something else too, real quick.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad I'm
It's
recording.
correct.
It is
The
right.
last one's
Quadratics.
correct.
I need to take some off though. There's too many questions.
How many?
Okay, am I right?
It's easy.
But what
Are
is
you
it?
alright?
Yeah.
Quadratics.
Huh?
Okay.
No.
One more thing.
Like,
Oh,
x plus 2 times x plus 2.
We're finna fight.
Foil.
No.
Oh, it's on Study Island.
X
Ew.
plus 2, that's easy. That's
Why?
X plus 2
Yeah, I know. And then it'll have like
What's
3x
X plus 2?
times X
plus 4x, 3x squared, yeah.
4 something.
Oh, well, don't worry about it right now. This is much way better.
4x? Is it x squared, 4x, and 4? Yeah.
What? X squared is 4.
No, x squared, 4x, and 4.
1 squared
It's
is?
not its factor.
1.
2 squared is?
4,
3 squared?
9,
4?
That's
16,
5?
25,
Okay, that's all I need.
I can't see.
Difference between 4 and 1.
3,
Difference between 9 and 4.
5,
Difference between 16 and 9.
5,
6.
7.
7.
Y'all can't count.
25 and 16.
4 plus 5 is 9.
Difference between 1 and 2.
1,
Oh no, I'm sorry, add the 2 of them.
3.
Add the 2 of them. 3 and 2.
5.
3 and 4.
7,
4 and 5. Okay, so you see the pattern,
No.
Yes, Monty, look at the numbers. They're all the same.
Numbers.
okay? If you add these two together, okay? 1 and 2, if you add that to 1 squared, okay? 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 squared is 1. If you add 3 to it, you get 4, which is the 2 squared. If you know, so if you know 4 squared, but you don't know, or if you know 2 squared, but don't know 3 squared, okay? Add 2 and 3, and you get 5. Add it to the 4, you get 9. Okay, so here.
So you could keep go. Oh, okay. All right, what's 15 squared, people?
Okay, but that's more complicated than just.
Yeah, but look for the hard ones. Look. She's doing hard ones now that we don't memorize.
I know that, but that's
They just do
Okay,
random multiple.
now-
but that's more complicated than just multiplying.
Because
both
then you
together.
don't know that one either.
Oh, but it's
not.
not.
You know about
But
how-
it's
look.
magic.
Look, if I know 15 squared is 225, but I need 16 squared,
Yeah, I don't know
I
what
can
16
add
is.
the 2 of those.
2,
I better get 31.
Hey Siri,
16 squared is 256. I
what's
promise you.
16 times 16?
There ain't no Siri on her GMOS.
Better be
It's
256.
256.
Yeah, I thought it was 234. I don't know. My brain shut off.
Can't
Yeah.
see you. She has a background on.
Okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you. I tell her I'm recording it
If
though
I know
too.
that 20 squared is 400, and it is.
Oh, hey everyone. I have a background on? Yeah, I do.
Okay? but I need 21 squared. I'm gonna add those two together. What do I get? 41.
I'm trying.
Not my sideburns.
Oh, I did this one.
Okay, but
Put the background on.
I don't. That's just.
Yeah, I would just multiply.
Okay, now,
I don't care. When it comes to square root, I'm gonna just multiply them both.
by the
together.
same token,
I don't like.
if I know 20 squared, but I need 19 squared, what are those two added together?
You ain't supposed to
39.
subtract.
It's 39. I can't see Miss
39. Now is where I'm
I don't
gonna
know how to get my
subtract.
background off.
Okay, then I was right.
What do you want me?
I was in Zoom when I did that.
Huh?
It did.
Pretty nice.
Okay, so you see what I did? I subtracted because I needed,
Is it
you know,
tab?
less. Okay, same thing here. If I know 25 is 625, and I know that this is
Yes.
51.
I have a
Miss
question.
Bakey, she's the mathematician foremost on square
Pardon
roots.
me?
So she'll come present to y'all tomorrow.
Oh, it was awful.
You know how one of our standards is, like, what's the square root of 9?
I had a, my
And,
algebra
yeah.
teacher in high school.
Okay,
called
so
me
then,
stupid.
we have to approximate it,
Oh,
thank
wait, let me show you how
you.
to
We
do
have
it.
to approximate it,
I
yeah.
wasn't stupid. I
Oh,
was
there it
lazy.
is, okay, 3 dots.
But I
We have to
believed him for a lot of
approximate
years.
to 1 or 2 decimal
Okay,
places.
so-
Do you know?
So what I
I'm
normally
gonna
do,
add
is
those
if it's the
two
square root of 17 or
and
something,
subtract.
I'll say, well, 9 is 3,
Pardon me?
5 is 25. So it's between
Not all of them, but.
4
very
and
little,
5,
yeah.
right? Okay, so if the answers are 4.1, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, multiple choice, I just take those and multiply them. But she's showing us at the beginning how to approximate it without doing that. But she shows you how to come up with the answer instead of just approximating. Okay,
Okay, so, I mean, these are all obvious.
to the, see, she's showing now how to do really large square roots
see,
without
these are
working them
all
out.
obvious.
Oops.
But
Okay.
these are just squared. Like, we might like this better when it's like cubed or like to the 6th power.
Oh, I'm sure she's got that trick up her sleeve too.
Oh, never mind. These are square roots.
Yeah, these
No,
are
I mean,
squares.
I know the perfect cubes for 10, up to 10, but that's as far as I know for sure.
10 times 10.
Just because I use them all the time.
Yeah.
And I use them all the time because I teach them.
She's like a professor,
I teach,
and she
I'm a
works
math
for the
teacher
state.
here, and I
She used
also
to
am a
work
math
here.
teacher for, Youth Challenge on Fort Stewart.
Can you be my
But
man?